We're going to prepare a roast in a different way today, but one that's full of flavor. We'll use about 700 grams of meat. Cut it into cubes roughly this size and set it aside. Now peel a carrot and cut it into slices. Next, take an onion, cut it in half and slice each half. Then cut 2 potatoes into cubes. Chop up a green pepper. Now take 2 tomatoes and cut them into smaller pieces. With everything ready and chopped, let's prepare an oven-safe plastic bag. Now just add everything into the plastic bag: the potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, onion, and pepper. Add chopped green onions to taste, the meat, and 2 chopped garlic cloves. Season with paprika, chimichurri, curry, salt, and black pepper to taste. Once that's done, seal the bag tightly and give it a good shake. Transfer it to a baking dish and cook it in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, cut open the bag and pour the contents into the dish. Before serving, add a little more chopped green onion to taste. And there you have it. A practical, flavorful, and well-seasoned recipe with the meat and veggies cooked just right. The fresh green onions on top add the finishing touch. Now just serve and enjoy this delicious, colorful dish. If you like this recipe, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this.